Today we're diving into 5 trending Amazon gadgets that are blowing up in 2025. But many people still don't know about them. From a USB-powered heated blanket to a smart mute button for Zoom meetings, these are clever tools that solve real problems in everyday life. If you're into affordable tech, smart home upgrades, or must-have Amazon finds, stick around. These gadgets are going to impress you. Let's get started. 1. MuteMe Smart Microphone. Mute button. Take control of your meetings. If you've ever said, "Wait, am I on mute?" This gadget is for you. The MuteMe Smart Microphone button is one of the best-selling work-from-home accessories right now. It's a USB-powered LED-lit mute button that lets you mute and unmute your microphone with a single tap. And more importantly, it lets everyone around you know you're muted. The light ring changes color. Red when you're live, green when muted. So you're never caught saying something you shouldn't on a call again. It works with Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, and integrates with both Windows and Mac OS. Whether you're in meetings all day or recording podcasts, this device is a productivity and privacy booster. 2. Rolling Portable Safe Box with Fingerprint Lock. Travel smart and secure. Next up is a travel-friendly gadget that's getting a lot of attention. The Rolling Portable Safe Box with Fingerprint Lock. Whether you're at the gym, staying in a hotel, or just want to keep your valuables secure at home, this biometric safe box is a game-changer. It supports up to 20 fingerprints, charges via USB-C, and fits your phone, passport, wallet, or jewelry with ease. It even has a steel security cable, so you can anchor it to a desk or inside your luggage. Its compact size makes it ideal for college dorms, car storage, office drawers, or travel bags. If you want to keep your belongings safe without carrying a bulky safe, this is one of the most secure portable lock boxes on Amazon. 3. Rechargeable Motion Sensor Under Cabinet Light Bars. Smart lighting made easy. Here's a gadget that's lighting up homes everywhere. Literally. The rechargeable motion sensor light bars are one of the best smart lighting solutions you can get on a budget. These LED light strips mount under cabinets, in closets, hallways, or staircases. No wiring, no drilling required. They're magnetically mounted, so you can easily remove and recharge them via USB, and they automatically turn on when motion is detected. You can toggle between always-on mode, motion sensor mode, or night mode, and the brightness is adjustable too. It's perfect for apartment renters, parents, or anyone who wants easy, stylish lighting without permanent installation. 4. Egg Roll Maker. Vertical electric cooker for quick breakfasts. Now here's one that's both fun and functional. The Vertical Egg Roll Maker. This gadget went viral on TikTok, and for good reason. You crack your eggs into the non-stick tube, add some toppings if you want, and in a few minutes, your cooked egg roll pops right up like a toaster. It's perfect for making burritos, sausage wraps, breakfast sandwiches, or pancake rolls. You can even get creative with fruits or chocolate for dessert-style treats. The vertical design saves counter space, and the non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze. If you're in a rush in the mornings or just like having fun with your food, this is one of those quirky gadgets that actually gets used. 5. Mini Electric Heated Blanket Shawl. USB-powered. Stay warm anywhere. And finally, the Mini USB-powered Heated Blanket Shawl. Let's be honest. Not everyone wants to heat the entire room just to stay cozy at their desk. This wearable heated blanket wraps around your shoulders like a shawl, plugs into any USB port, and warms up in seconds. It has 3 heat settings, folds easily for travel, and is made with super soft, breathable fabric. Use it at your desk, on the couch, in your car, or even during travel. It works with power banks too. Whether you're working from home or relaxing on a chilly night, this is one of the most comforting gadgets of 2025. So there you have it. 5 of the most unique and trending Amazon gadgets in 2024 that are practical, fun, and perfect for daily life. From muting your mic with a single tap to cooking egg rolls and lighting up your home without a toolbox, these products bring real value without a high price tag. Which one is your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. And if you've used any of these, we'd love to hear your review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss the next drop of Amazon tech finds, smart gadgets, and home upgrades. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.